Have you ever wondered how the laptop you use every day is actually made? From thousands of tiny components to powerful machines and skilled engineers, how does everything come together to create a single laptop? In today's video, we're taking you inside a modern laptop factory where you'll see the complete manufacturing process from raw materials all the way to final packaging. So make sure to watch till the end. The journey of a laptop begins with raw materials and electronic components. Inside this factory, parts arrive from different countries around the world, including motherboards, display panels, keyboards, batteries, and thousands of small electronic elements. Every single component is carefully inspected before moving forward in the production line. The motherboard, which acts as the brain of the laptop, receives special attention. Even the smallest microchips are examined under powerful microscopes to ensure there are no defects. Only approved components are allowed to continue to the next stage. Now the real assembly process begins. Highly advanced robotic arms place microchips onto the motherboard with extreme precision. These machines can work faster and more accurately than human hands, ensuring perfect placement every time. The chips are then soldered onto the board using automated soldering systems. Cooling components, processors, and connectors are installed step by step. Once assembled, each motherboard passes through multiple scanning machines that check for electrical and performance issues. Any faulty board is immediately removed and sent for repair. Only fully functional motherboards move forward in the production line. At this stage, the laptop body begins to take shape. Aluminum or plastic frames are aligned on the assembly line. Robotic arms carefully install the display panels, while technicians connect delicate screen cables by hand. Keyboards and trackpads are pressed into place with perfect alignment. Internal cables are organized neatly to ensure airflow and durability. Finally, automated tools tighten the screws, bringing the laptop structure together. Now it's time to add power and memory. Batteries are placed inside the laptop chassis, followed by solid-state drives and RAM modules. These components determine the laptop's speed and performance. Once everything is installed, the bottom panel is securely closed and the laptop is almost ready. Before any laptop reaches customers, it must pass strict quality testing. Each device is powered on for the very first time. Keyboards, touchpads, speakers, cameras, Wi-Fi, and ports are all tested individually. Some laptops are placed inside heat chambers to test performance under extreme temperatures. Others go through vibration and stress tests to ensure long-term durability. Only laptops that pass every test receive final approval. Once approved, the laptops move to the packaging section. Protective foam is placed inside the box to prevent damage during shipping. Chargers, manuals, and accessories are added carefully. The boxes are sealed, labeled, and scanned. Finally, the packaged laptops are loaded onto trucks and containers and shipped to stores across the world. From the factory floor to your desk at home, this is the incredible journey of how a laptop is made. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look inside a laptop factory, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Let us know in the comments which part of the process you found most interesting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.